You've spent hours on your Etsy listings, and you've made exactly 3 sales this month? Sound familiar? What if I told you there's a way to write listings that actually convert in minutes, not hours? Hey everyone, welcome back to AVS DigiZone, where we explore digital marketing and AI tools that actually work. I'm Vino, and today I'm revealing the exact system I used to help an Etsy seller go from 3 sales to 27 sales in just 1 week using what I call the Etsy seller's AI blueprint. Most Etsy sellers make the same mistake. They write descriptions that sound like they're talking to themselves, not to their dream customer. They list features instead of benefits, they use boring language, and they completely miss the emotional triggers that make people click Add to Cart. Here are the 5 game-changing prompts from the Etsy seller's AI blueprint that will transform your listings. First, the story-rich description prompt that makes handmade items feel priceless instead of pricey. Second, the problem-solving prompt that frames your product as the solution your customer desperately needs. Third, the gift guide prompt that specifically targets the 70% of Etsy buyers shopping for gifts. Fourth, the premium price justifier that actually makes customers happy to pay more for your quality. And fifth, the irresistible title generator that gets you found in Etsy search. Now here's the best part. The Etsy seller's AI blueprint gives you these exact prompts ready to copy and paste, plus shows you how to customize them for your specific niche. Let me show you Savvy's story. She makes beautiful handmade candles but was stuck at 2 to 3 sales per week. We applied the Etsy seller's AI blueprint to her 5 best-selling products, and within 1 week, 27 sales. Her conversion rate tripled because suddenly her listings were speaking directly to her ideal customer's deepest desires. Now I know what you're thinking. This sounds amazing, but I don't have time to figure this out myself. That's exactly why I recommend getting the Etsy seller's AI blueprint yourself. I've put my affiliate link in the description because I've seen this work for dozens of sellers in our community. The blueprint isn't just some generic advice. It gives you the exact prompts, the templates, and the mindset shifts you need to start writing listings that convert literally today. Here's what I want you to do right now. First, click that first link in the description to get the Etsy seller's AI blueprint while it's fresh in your mind. But wait. Because you're part of our channel family, we're doing something really special. We're giving away our precious prompt vending machine for free for a limited time. This is the exact same system we use to generate thousands of high-converting prompts across all platforms. Here's how to get it. Click the second link in the description, fill in your name and email, and we'll instantly send you this powerful prompt vending machine absolutely free. No cost, no catch, just our gift to you for being an amazing part of our community. Second, if this video helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more AI marketing tips that actually work. Then I want you to comment below with Prompt Machine and tell me what you sell on Etsy. I read every single comment. Remember, the difference between struggling and thriving on Etsy often comes down to how you communicate your value. The Etsy seller's AI blueprint and your free prompt vending machine give you that communication superpower. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.